There are stories and histories behind the foods we eat. What has happened to the food before it arrives on our plates? The story I would like to share with you today is the story of the organic rice standardization in Thailand. In 1997, the financial crisis erupted in Thailand. The Thai government tried to turn adversity into opportunities by restructuring the food production system through an alternative farming approach known as sustainable agriculture. This was also reflected in the National Economic and Social Development Plan. Even though the Thai government promoted organic agriculture, the organic sector did not grow rapidly over the following decade. What are the factors obstructing this process? Thailand has an immense diversity in its native rice species, and many of them are produced under the organic system. Also, the Thai government tried to promote these sectors. But it seemed that this doesn't work very well. This is not just because of the quantity of the produce, but also caused by certification and standardizations and standards, which involves standards, certification, collaborations, and stakeholders at the transnational level, national level, and the local level. In my research, I aim to investigate the local communities, the local organic rice producing communities. And I specifically focus on the global production network of organic rice. In 2017, I collected the data from 3 main organic rice production communities in Yasothon, Surin, and Suphanburi. The rice production system at this site are certified under the IFOAM Organics standard. And rice at these sites are well known for its qualities. In order to achieve the IFOAM Organic standard, there are 2 main certification schemes under IFOAM Organic Internationals. The first scheme is called third-party certification, and the second scheme is participatory guarantee system, or PGS. So, how have the interaction among key actors involved in the organic production system shaped the pattern of the local production space? In order to answer this question, I'm focusing on 3 main organic production sites, and I look at the institutions governing the organic farming. And I also look at power relations among key actors that involved in this production space. And I use 3 main data collection methods. The first one is documentation, on-site observations, and interviews. I conducted 75 interviews, and I focused on interviewing the key actors at transnational, national, and the local levels. At the transnational level, I interview the representatives of the IFOAM Organics International standard and certification experts. And at the national level, I interview the Thai government officials. And at the local levels, I interview farmers and key actors at each communities. I found that both state and non-state actors sought out their way to influence the local production space. Whilst the state actors become the financial facilitator, the non-state actors become intermediary between the government, the certifiers, and the local farmers. We can conclude that the governance of food system goes beyond the state level. As we can see, it involves many key actors, such as the IFOM Organic Internationals, which is the transnational private actors. It also involves power relations among key actors that try to support, to challenge each other. Sometimes they cooperate, and sometimes they against each other. And this makes the global production space of the organic rice become much more complex than in the past, which involves standards, certifications, and different key actors, both non-state and state actors. If this complex organic farming system is considered an alternative food production model, the important question to ask is, how do we expand and sustain this system for the benefit of the next generations? Thank you.